Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another home renovation project. We are doing our eat-in kitchen. It's right off of our kitchen and it was all builder grade. It was a cheap builder grade light that probably could get anywhere for 50 bucks. It had the same walls that are painted everywhere in the house. It had no window coverings whatsoever, zero color to the room. It just kind of blended all together. So that was the before. Let me show you what we did. And this is the after. And we think it looks really great. We added the grass cloth wallpaper to it, which gave it some color and some texture to the walls. We added a new light. We took down that builder grade light and we added a new light that was larger and gave a more elegant feel to it for what we were looking for. And the biggest thing we did is we teamed up with Smart Wings to get Roman or blinds for our windows. So it looks finished. It looks really nice. And what I like about these is they're very lightweight. And so our whole house is coastal. They have a ton of different options to choose from. You can get samples. We'll show you some of those sample books that you get. And you can paste them up against your wall to see which one you like the best. Look at it for a few days before you order them. We also wanted to get them motorized because there's so many benefits that come with motorized blinds. For one is it's added security, because when you're gone, you can program it so it'll go up and down when you're gone. So you can do that. It's energy saving because it'll keep the sun out during the hottest parts of the day, which is really nice. And again, just from a security and look standpoint, it's really good to kind of close your blinds at night. No one can look in your windows, even though our backyard is completely fenced in and that sort of thing. You just don't want anyone being able to see in. So love those functions and features. And like I said, they're all motorized. They come with a lithium battery, and so they last for 5 to 6 months, depending on how often you use them. They can be all programmed together. You can get a five. This one comes with a 5-channel system. We have 4 blinds, so the 5-channel is plenty for what we're looking for. These come with the Z-Wave 800, which is basically a technology that connects to your Wi-Fi. It's very smooth. They're extremely quiet, which I love. And they have a strong connection with extended wireless range. And because of that, you get fast communication. So when you click a button or you program it, immediately it goes down. These also work with hubs, smart hubs, such as SmartThings, Habitat, and Home Assistant. So SmartWings has a number of different options: woven wood, roller shades, cellular shades, Roman shades. They also have draperies and more. So they have a ton of options. And I think the biggest thing for us was the challenge of picking the right one for our house. So everyone's a little bit different in what they're looking for. The nice thing that SmartWings does is they actually will send you sample books of the different colors. So you can take a look at which ones you like the best. If you want things that are blackout, they have blackout options. If they want ones that have light filtering, if you want to keep it light and airy, you can do that as well. So they have different books that they'll send you for it that you can go through and take a look at what options you really want. If you're looking at bedrooms and you want complete blackout, they will send you a ton of different options. That's the hardest challenge for you right there, is to figure that out. The other thing they do is they do draperies as well. So they have a lot of different fabrics. So if being into more of a heavier fabric, or if you're looking for basements or things like that, or bedrooms, they have different options as well. And so you can take a look at those things. We had really a tough choice to make on which ones we were actually going to go with. So check out Smart Wings for those different options. And if you are at all looking at being confused like we were, get these books so you can just take them out and hang them on the wall until you decide which one you want to go with. My favorite thing of these blinds is how easy they are to install. You do not need to hire anyone to do this. You can easily install these on your own. It's not complicated, it's not hard, and they're not heavy to hold up to do the work. So that's my favorite thing. The other nice thing about these blinds is they come really well packaged. So they're not going to show up damaged. They're bubble wrapped individually. And so all the connections and everything are really easy and packaged all together. So like everything, we plan to use Home Assistant or automate these and with more smart technology and things like that. But you don't even need to if you don't want to. So these come with an easy programmable remote. And so you can do anything from do one at a time, or you can do all of them at once. So we chose light filtering because we want to see our backyard and our pool during the day. And the light filtering for us allows the home to still be bright. So that's it. We love the way the room turned out. So with the wallpaper and the color that we got, with the window coverings, they look incredible. In fact, the color of it is even better than what we could have hoped for. I also like the light filtering and the automation that can be done with it. So, and like I said, if you don't want to do the automation or you think that's above your technical skills, it has an easy program or remote that works really well. And it can mount to a wall, which we did over on the side. So you can walk in, hit it like a light switch if you'd like. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel. Super Thanks is always welcome. And if you're looking for blinds, no matter what kind of blinds you're looking for, check out Smart Wings. They have a variety of options, and I'll put a link in the description below so you can check them all out.